Hello everyone, it's Sophie. Today I'm taking you to my favorite pre-owned luxury retailer, the RealReal. I'm obsessed with denim bags recently, so let's check out what they have. Wow, this Chanel denim bowling bag looks really cute. This Louis Vuitton denim loop bag is quite unique. I really need to try it on. So let's check out the Chanel denim bowling bag first. It is from the 2021 collection. The floral print is quite unique, but it might be not easy to wear. This is what the bottom looks like. Big CC logos on the sides. As a crossbody bag, it looks a little bit bulky, and the weight is a little bit heavy with all these chunky chains. It is quite spacious, and the lining is in fabric. A small pocket inside. I think it is pretty cute to hand carry it like this, or carry it on the wrist. What do you think? Do you like this Chanel denim bag? Next, I'm trying on the Louis Vuitton denim loop bag. The shape is quite unique. It is in a half moon shape, and I like the different shades of blue denim. With the monogram print, it is absolutely stunning. So there is a long strap. You can wear it as a crossbody bag. Very chic looking. The capacity is not quite big, and the lining is in fabric. It also comes with a short metal chain so that you can carry it on your arm or on your shoulder. The leather strap is adjustable, so you can shorten it to wear as a shoulder bag. That is pretty cool. I really like this bag. What do you think? Do you like it? The last one I'm trying on is this Louis Vuitton little box bag. The gray denim color is so cool. The shape of the bag is very classic Louis Vuitton, and I love the hardware detail. The capacity is very tiny. Look at this. It can only fit a few essentials. It comes with a long shoulder strap so that you could do a crossbody style. There is also a short metal chain that you can wear it over the shoulder or carry it by hand. So that's for today's video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.